We launched this earlier in October this year. It's called Property Intelligence Elements. So this is the ability for our customers to now not have to do this work manually at all. It's completely eliminated. As your model is processed, we automatically generate the 2D layout and the 3D layout, include all the details. So room names, labels, measurements, walls, openings, dimensions, ceiling heights, all of these things come. Here's a small snippet video. If you go to the press release, and there's a detailed support article as well. We are actively recruiting for beta. We are expanding our beta. So if this is something you're interested, please sign up. You can see that for the model of your own model as well. So this is something we are super, super excited about. We would love it. Again, as Amir said, it's all about continuing to invest in our Cortex technology. So we are really going beyond that visualization to also add that insights and make that all automagically happen for our customers.